5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're live.
Hey, future Broncos. Welcome back to another episode of Broncos Scoop. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm your host, Andrew Brodahl, a first-year civil engineer major here at Cal Poly Pomona and a student assistant at Project Caminos in the Office of Student Success. Thank you for joining us today on the new episode of Season 5. I'll be giving you the scoop on Repair Café and our Campus Spotlight series. On today's episode, I will be talking about Repair Café, a program where students can learn to fix and repair faulty electronics and bring their own electronics for free diagnostics and repair. Late last year, Dr. Velton, a member of the Physics and Astronomy department, presented an idea to the Maker Studio. He saw it as an excellent chance for students to acquire new skills and for electronic repairs to become more accessible to students. This idea was supported by a few students who had links to the student union, and Velton was able to organize a weekly repair cafe with the help of student volunteers. He found the experience enjoyable and introduced it to Cal Poly Pomona earlier this year. Now the Repair Cafe is available every Tuesday from noon to 5 p.m. and is located on the second floor of the library in the Maker Studio. The Repair Cafe is a great initiative that provides numerous benefits to students. Firstly, it offers them an opportunity to learn new skills related to electronic repairs and maintenance, which they can utilize in their personal and professional lives. These skills not only can help them save money by fixing broken devices instead of buying new ones, but the Repair Cafe promotes sustainability by reducing electronic waste. Instead of throwing away old broken devices, students can learn how to repair them, which not only saves money but helps preserve the environment. This promotes a culture of sustainability on campus and empowers students to make a positive impact on the world. The Repair Cafe fosters a sense of community by bringing students together to collaborate on repairs and share knowledge with each other. This creates a supportive and inclusive environment where students can build a friendships network and learn from each other. Overall, I feel like the Repair Cafe is a fantastic initiative that provides numerous benefits to students. It helps them develop new skills, promote sustainability, and build a sense of community, all of which can better their lives in many ways. The Repair Cafe offers students lots of advantages. First of all, it gives them a chance to pick up new abilities in electric maintenance and repair that they may use in both their personal and professional lives. These abilities can enable individuals to repair damaged equipment rather than purchasing new ones, which can be an advantage for students on a limited budget. Secondly, by lowering electronic waste, the Repair Cafe improves sustainability. Students can learn how to fix defective equipment instead of throwing it away, saving money and protecting the environment. When I visited the Repair Cafe, I met Dr. Velton and a few faculty members.
Can you please introduce yourself and your role at Repair Cafe?
Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Velton.
Repair Cafe is an amazing addition to the Maker Studio. How has this response been from the students of the program being available?
Oh man, by and large, most people are pretty happy with it. It's like, come on in, get things fixed, save a lot of money. Every now and then we actually have a couple of people who are like, hey, I could have done that. And really great when some people come away with, hey, I can fix it myself. It's useful to learn new and interesting things. You don't have to have a degree in electrical engineering to, take apart and put back together your electronics sometimes.
My name is Benjamin. I do most of the soldering work here at the Repair Cafe. I'm an electrical engineer, and this is my second year here.
What is the coolest device you've worked on before at the Repair Cafe?
So this one time we actually had a professor here at Cal Poly bring in a real vintage toy from the 70s, and it was called Mr. Mouth. And he's like, I haven't been able to get this thing to work for years. So I was like, sure, just bring it over and we'll see what's wrong with it. So it ended up just being a simple fix, like a hair in the motor. And then we greased it up, put some new oil on it, got it running again. And he was super ecstatic when he came back and it was all running again. He's like, I'm gonna show this to my students. So that would definitely be up there on the list.
Hi, I'm Donna. I work here with Benji and Dr. Velton. I'm a chemistry and psychology major.
How many students do you receive weekly?
I'd say 10 or 15 students a week.
What new knowledge have you learned or given to a student while working here at the Repair Cafe?
A lot. I think what's really cool about the Repair Cafe is it's a skill exchange. So Dr. Velton always says we all learn off of each other. You come with what you know, and that's kind of how it works. So I came in here with, oh my god, basically nothing. And it's been really cool because I learned so much from Dr. Velton and Benji, and it's a really good opportunity because I was a little bit comfortable with the software side, but on the hardware side I knew basically nothing. But I've also kind of been able to pass that on. So with students when they come in, regardless of who it is, if they're interested in learning about the Repair Cafe, they have the option to do the repair themselves, and we kind of walk them through it. So it's really cool that you're able to both learn and teach others here. Yeah.
Are there any future plans in the future for Repair Cafe?
I mean, the future plans is I'm going to do this as I'm able to do it. If people want to come on in, take over, come down and learn, by all means.
This is a great opportunity that Cal Poly Pomona students should take advantage of. I love the concept of a free repair and diagnostic program, considering that buying new electronics can be very expensive. It is an amazing space. Even as a Cal Poly Pomona student, I forget that there's resources like this on campus. If you guys would like to see more of the Maker Studio or Repair Cafe, please let us know in the comment sections below. Thank you. That is it for today's episode. I hope you enjoy getting the scoop on the Repair Cafe at the Maker Studio. Subscribe to our channel to never miss the scoop, and follow our Instagram at cpp.broncoscoop. If you have any questions or want me to talk about anything CPP related, email us at caminos@cpp.edu. Bronco Scoop is supported by Cal Poly Pomona's Office of Student Success, Equity and Innovation with the funding from the Department of Education Hispanic Serving Institute Grant Project Caminos. Tune in for more.